think Chloe fell asleep.
No, I didn't.
Oh, she woke up. Alright, so we have made it to Chiang Mai, Thailand, and our first order of business is to find some good food. We are looking for Khao Soi, which is a northern Thailand dish specific to the Chiang Mai region. And then after that, we're going to go to the night market. It is Sunday, so the Sunday night walking market is rather famous here, and we're looking forward to checking it out.
We're coming.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. No, they are closed on Sundays. Well, we should have done a little bit more research. The place that we just walked 20 minutes to is closed on Sunday. We are headed to the famous Sunday night market. We've been looking forward to this for the last month or two. It's one of the largest night markets around in this area. Alright, so this is the second time I've done this. I just lost my backpack again. I left my backpack in our Grab, but thankfully I think it's like Uber where you can hopefully call the driver and have him return to you, because I left some camera equipment in the bag again. The second time I've done that, and not a great way to kick off our night. So I can call him, but he doesn't speak English and I don't speak Thai. So thanks to Google Translate, I texted him in Thai that I left my backpack. Hopefully he gets the message. So I found someone that spoke English and was able to communicate with them to have them call the driver. The driver says the bag's not in the car. I'm hoping that's the case, and maybe I'm just not in my right mind and I left it at home or something like that. But for now we're going to move on and enjoy the night market, and hopefully it'll be at home when I get there and I just forgot to bring it. It is so congested tonight, it's kind of slow moving. The crowds are intense, but this is pretty cool. It goes on for, I'm guessing, about a mile or so, all with handcrafted goods and different foods and street vendors and whatnot. But it's definitely the thing to do Sunday night.
Look, Mommy.
It is. And I think Mommy has found something she likes.
These bags are 60 baht, which is $2. So I'm definitely gonna get one. I just have to pick out which one it's gonna be.
So I thought it was just one big main street, but it's actually multiple streets. It seems like the entire inner walled city right now is shut down for this night market, and there is no chance with even several hours that we'll be able to scratch the surface of this thing. We're doing our best to get a little bit further in because the traffic is just a little bit too crazy right now. Alexa, did you see something you liked? What did you like? And Alexa really wants a popsicle, so we're looking for some popsicles. Well, it has started to rain, which is perfect because it's clearing a lot of the crowds out. And we're going to stick around as long as it's not too crazy. And hopefully the market stays open.
Mommy, we still have one thing left to do. You need one
So we braved the rain and made it to the tuk-tuk stand. And now we are getting a ride back to our Airbnb. We're a little soaked, but it's actually been kind of a fun adventure. I don't know, I mean, sometimes the hardest things are the best things, right? So it's been a good night.
A little bummed that we didn't get to see more of the Sunday night market, and it's the only Sunday we're here. But
I really wanted a popsicle.
Alexa really wanted a popsicle, and we could not get popsicles. But there are plenty of other night markets, just not as big as that one, which might be more enjoyable considering how crowded that was. It was kind of crazy. But we'll find a different night market, and Chloe, we will get popsicle. Okay, buddy? Yay!
It's always in your 5 a day. Now, the
We're watching Peppa Pig.
So one fun adventure is making breakfast in a different house all the time, which especially while we've been in Asia has been challenging because there have not been kitchens. So this is the first kitchen we've had in a while, and it's just this little induction cooktop. We usually make eggs because eggs are so good compared to what we get back in the US. They're almost like a red color to them, and they just taste like unbelievably good compared to what we're used to. But today, finally, we're gonna have some proper eggs and toast for breakfast since we have a kitchen now.
I want jelly toast. I love jelly toast. Try it.
Thank you, Daddy.
I haven't tried them yet. Hey, get back here, egg. Get back on my heel. Come back here, all of you.
Alright, so I asked Chloe to get ready for the day, and she comes out and says,
I'm ready for the day. I'm ready for the day. I look beautiful.
So we're getting a scooter later today, and we're trying to decide if we should get a Vespa or another Yamaha scooter like we had before. But the problem is I don't think we'll fit on the Vespa.
Yeah.
There's no room for 4 bottoms on the Vespa. Whereas with the scooter over here, it's got the extra wing on the end, and Heather sits back here.
Chloe sits on top of me anyway.
But the Vespa looks so much cooler than the scooter. All right, so we are continuing our mission for Khao Soi. They were closed yesterday. We're going to the most famous Khao Soi place in Chiang Mai. I believe it's called Khao Soi Mae Sai, but we've heard a lot of really good things about it. The girls are tired because it's a long walk here, and it's the second time we've done it. So hopefully we get some Khao Soi this time.
Tired of walking?
Our Khao Soi mission has failed again. They are under construction for the next 2 days, so we will have to come back on Wednesday. So one thing I wasn't expecting is for the coffee scene in Chiang Mai to be so good. We decided to stop at this coffee shop since our Khao Soi place was closed, and it looked awesome. Alright, so despite the Khao Soi place being closed, we still want it today, so we're going to the second most famous place, which is Khao Soi Nim Nim, or Khao Soi Nimin.
Summer. Oh, summer.
So we're currently at this restaurant eating Khao Soi, which is a traditional northern Thailand dish that's kind of originated in Chiang Mai. It is a little spicy, a little sweet, has some noodles and some fried crunchy noodles on top. It's very delicious, and we got the girls a little omelet that's really, really, really tasty, and yeah, we're enjoying ourselves.
But stay with you and I will eat it. I'll die if you don't stay with you. If I don't stay with you, then I will eat it all bye.
Okay, you can eat all bye.
Baby, mommy stuff to do. Baby, you're waxing up and do-do.